Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to create your own character in Character Creator 4.
Hi, I'm Digital Kevin. I'm the 4th generation.
Open up. I only want to speak to you.
Let's start. I use Character Creator 4.4. You can download from Reallusion Hub. In this application, the content manager is important, otherwise we do nothing. You can easily download all content using the Reallusion content downloader. Okay, this one is character section. This one is skin section. Here change skin tone to the character. And this one is makeup. And this one is change hairstyle to the character. And this is cloth section. And accessory, and animation. Here we apply some action to the character, like walk, sit, run. And stage. And props. Okay, let I show how to create your own character in Character Creator 4. Now here click, load neutral base. This load neutral character. And here, view all, you can see front, back, side, top and bottom of the character. First, I going to make hairstyle to this character. I'm going to create male character. Okay, I use this hairstyle to my character. I use this men eyebrows. I use this face cut. Okay, change this hairstyle to my character. Here you can change the beard to character. But I don't want. Okay. I'm going to add shirt. Okay, I use this formal shirt. Now I going to add pants to this character. I use this one. Now add shoes. I try this one. Not good. I try this boot shoes. Here shoes collide with pants. Okay, this can be fixed easily. I show you how later. Now I undo. Okay, I try some other. This one. Okay, look nice. That's it. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.